girl, Rich Soul, back at you again. Happy Taco Tuesday. So I got some loaded tacos that I made, some ground turkey tacos. And I'll be trying for the first time these Takis, Versace's, whatever you want to call them. So it's from the TikTok. So it's a viral food. So this will be my first time trying it like this because I'm used to bacon wrap jalapeno poppers. So this is going to be my first time trying these. All right. But I'm about to get into these tacos, honey. Oh, let me get my spoon ready because it's about to get messy. Put some avocado ranch dressing on mine. I'm telling y'all, I love ranch. Especially avocado ranch, almost on everything. Some avocado ranch. Got my spoon ready. And we are about to get it in. Oh boy, if I can even get it all up. I got some cilantro. Well, pico de gallo. Cheese and ground turkey, all that good stuff. So first bite is for you. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. This is good. I mean, I stuffed these tacos. I made sure I got the bigger shell and everything. I got stuff all around my mouth, but I will. Mm-mm-mm. Mm. So I hope you guys having a good day today. Mm. Mm. I love that pico. Let me give me some more of that. Because I love onions on my tacos. Mm-mm-mm. Mm. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. I haven't had ground turkey in a minute. Mm. Y'all, so bomb. And most of my shells was cracked. I was so mad about that. I was like, where my receipt at? And then a couple of them I burnt in the air fryer. I'm like, Lord have mercy. I can't win for losing with these taco shells today. I hope you guys are enjoying your Taco Tuesday, because I am. I should put a little bit more sauce on these, but that's all good. Making my avocado ranch. Mm-mm-mm. Everybody saying I ain't need that stove on. Woo! I mean, stuffed tacos. That's why I was so glad when they came out with those bigger shells. I was like, oh yes, it's on. Oh, excuse me. Yes, indeed. Put all that goodness in there. Mm-mm-mm. Look how stuffed that is. Overboard. Oh, but I'm about to get it in. Mm-mm-mm. I haven't made homemade tacos in a minute. Oh, that juice is good. Oh. Mm. Let me go ahead and try one of these before I get full. Alright. So, and I had some seeds in there too, so. Alright, let me try this, y'all. Here I go. These Takis are good. Got a good taste to them. Alright, let's try with the jalapeno. That's different. Let me have another bite because I think so far it's okay. Yeah, I think this is okay for me. But these, you know, the combination or whatever, but these things are spicy, these Takis, and they're good. Yeah. I mean, it's not bad, but would I eat it again? I like these Takis, so I'll just do it. Yeah, these Takis are good. I just don't know about that combination. I mean, like I said, it's okay as far as the combination goes, but back to my taco. No, I'm getting full. Excuse me. Woo. I think that is gonna be all, folks. Yes, yes, yes. Yes. Woo. Well, you guys, I am full. Until next time. Peace and love.